I'm Reed Chilton. I'm the director of the Construction Management, Inspection, and Land Survey and Mapping Department. I've been with Webb for about 9 years now.
Hi, my name is Wally Franz. I have 45 years of experience. I worked with the company almost all that time. When I retired, I was the department head of the Construction Management and Inspection Department.
Yeah, so going to school for civil engineering, you figure you're going to be a design engineer. So I declared my major because the NCAA wasn't going to let me play volleyball anymore if I didn't declare a major. And I looked at the engineering degrees at which one required the least amount of chemistry and electrical involvement, and it was civil. And about a year or so in, I thought I should probably be in construction management just by my interests and maybe my personality, I guess. I think Brian Knoll came along and said he needed someone to go out to RCRA, the site, to take pictures once a week. Looking for somebody to do it. I'll go. And then opportunities with Wally came up. There was a need, so I stepped in a little bit on a job, and it just kind of it morphed into being a construction management, and I've really enjoyed it.
I didn't know Reed at the time because he was in a different department. So it was actually Brian and Bruce that brought up his name and thought he might be a good successor because he worked for a construction company. As far as bringing Reed up to speed, it was not a formal education. It was kind of a combination between a formal process and the winging process. Given the 2 years that we had, it was kind of a long, slow process to where as he became more and more involved in the department, I became less and less dependent. So as Reed ramped up, I was ramping down.
I think you cut out early most days, didn't you?
Yeah.
One thing I appreciated about him, he didn't just tell me this is the answer, this is how you do it. But he let me struggle with things, he let me come up with ideas and present them to him, and he would just kind of guide me along. I remember vividly being at the hospital when, probably within 2 hours after Luke was born. He's off with the nurses, my wife's asleep, I pull out my phone, and I'm responding to emails. And I get this text from Wally, and he goes, "Put your phone away and enjoy your family." And that was really important for me. Just, this is a big opportunity for me at work. And a more important thing happening for my family, in the hospital with my wife and our new son. And he saw what was happening, he knew where I was, and he just said, "Stop it. Shut it down for a couple days. The work will be here when you get here, we got you." I had a really great opportunity to be mentored by Wally, so I tried to implement the things I learned with some of the associates I'm mentoring. And what I tried to do is be available for them, try to listen and encourage them to push their progress and not wait for someone else to do it for them. I think it's really important to learn for yourself and to not sit around and wait for people to do things for you.